Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at my Ventray juicer. Let's take a look. This is the main body here. I'm going to go through all the different parts, the functions. Today we've been juicing. We have some watermelon juice here, some carrot juice here, and then some beet juice here. Now we're going to make some pineapple and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. It's a super easy process. All you have to do is line up this dot here with this dot here. Just set it in just like that and it'll kind of clamp in. And then the next thing is you're gonna look for this arrow here and this arrow here. And you'll just set it down just like that. Next thing we're gonna do is add the little spinner. And this is what grinds all of the fruit up. We'll just set it in just like that. And then another thing, this shows you the arrow to push this way. And then this dot, and this dot here are gonna all line up. So just like that. The setup is super easy and you're ready to juice. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to juice. The on button is on here on the back. So if you push it forward, it's gonna show you, it's just gonna keep going by itself. Backwards is gonna be a pulse. So just keep clicking it to pulse the juice. So to kind of get started, just turn it on just like that. Drop whatever fruit you're doing in there. And then there is this little pusher as well. And it just is gonna push all of the juice right through. Something that I love about this juicer is that it is super easy to clean up. So obviously all the pulp is gonna come in here, juice is gonna come in here, which is super awesome. So as you can see, it's working like a charm. I'm just putting tons of fruit in there and it's just going down. Sometimes even without pushing, but the pusher is just nice to have in there as well. And once the juice is done going through, simply just turn it off, and then once this is done, go ahead and close it. I think this is another really nice feature because then you're not gonna have drips all over your counter. And then let's go strain it. Okay, next it comes with this little strainer. So I'm just gonna strain out any excess. Some people like the pulp in there and that's just fine. But for this juice we're making, I'm gonna take it out. So it really just takes all that foam out of there. We're making here is a lime mango pineapple juice. It looks really good. So just like that, as you can see, it took out all of the foam and then there's a ton of the pulp right there too. All right guys, as you can see, we've made tons of juices. We've had lots of fun today. One last thing I want to point out is the cleaning process. It is super easy. I know juicers can be kind of complicated, but it does come with a couple of things like brushes just to clean out the system. Just run it through the sink and use those brushes and it's going to be just like new.